IT issues can happen anytime. Instead of juggling email updates and trying to track down your service ticket, everything begins right where you already work, inside Microsoft Teams. Open the Right-Click app, pinned on the left-hand side of Microsoft Teams. Just look for the Right-Click logo. Start a chat and tell us what you need help with. Clicky, our custom AI triage agent, helps gather a few quick details, creates the ticket, and keeps things moving in the right direction. If helpful, you can also attach files or screenshots right in the chat to provide a little more detail. Need to step away for a meeting or focus on something else? You can come back anytime. Each request has its own chat in Teams, labeled with the ticket number, so the conversation stays organized and easy to continue. Everything you share stays with your service request, so technicians have the context they need right away. That means fewer delays and faster resolution. At Right-Click, our focus is helping you get back to work quickly. Resolved and taken care of so you can keep moving forward.